Hey students, wish to achieve success? Then make a timetable. The act of creating a study schedule for yourself is actually a form of commitment to yourself. It reiterates that you must remain on the good path of studying well in a time bound manner. It helps you to stay motivated and saves you from deviating from your much needed studies. Here are some useful steps and tips in creating your study schedule. For each subject, make a list of the tasks you need to complete in order to acquire the relevant knowledge as well as to get ready for your exam and score like an ace. You may download a study schedule template from the internet and mark there the time slots you have available each day to study. As far as possible, choose blocks of time that are the same each day, for example, 4 to 5 pm followed by 5:30 to 6:30 pm, so that your study schedule is simple to remember as well as you follow and then you get into the habit of going to study at these time slots. It will be easy for your family and friends too to avoid disturbing you in your dedicated studying slots. Create a daily plan which lists the most important tasks to be completed for the day, and by the evening check your plan and see whether you have completed or not. If not, then don't give up and try better the next day and improve upon it. Review your study schedule at the end of each week and modify it if necessary. Assess whether you are on right track to reach your goals by the exam time. If you are not, adjust your schedule by finding additional blocks of time for studying. Sometimes it's but natural that something unforeseen comes up, like going out of station or falling ill, etc. After these are over, when you resume your studies, reschedule your timetable as per the new requirement. Get into the study routine. It is generally easier to stay motivated if your studying becomes a daily part of your life and routine. For example, you might choose to get up an hour earlier each day and use this to reach your specific study targets. Or, if lesser effort is needed, you may study a given subject on alternate days or even just for one day a week as per the requirement. That way, it is easier to avoid being distracted during your study time because you know that this slot is set aside by you for a specific and important purpose. While you sit down to study, request your family and friends to cooperate by not speaking to you or calling you up, plus minimize distractions by keeping your mobile phone and other gadgets away from yourself. Very importantly, confine yourself in a peaceful place with a goal to study well and also with a geared up mindset, most important, a geared up mindset for best results. Believe in yourselves and get started. Follow this, guys, and benefit immensely. I shall be back to you with more and more. Till then, take care and bye.